What if I told you that for under 18,000 Rand, you could get a phone with a curved 120Hz AMOLED display, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ZEISS engineered cameras, and flagship level features like IP68 water resistance? Say hello to the Vivo V50, a beast of a mid-range build for power users. The Vivo V50 is a premium mid-range smartphone powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, and it's packed with flagship tier tech without the flagship price. Kicking us off with the specs, it has a 6.7-inch AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display, which is full HDR plus with a resolution of 2800 by 1260 and has a peak brightness of 4500 nits. It has a quad curved glass design with ultra narrow bezels, and the display is HDR10 plus certified. The body of the device is a glass front, and it is IP68 and IP69 certified for water and dust resistance. It has a diamond shield design, so it's drop resistant, and it is available in titanium, rose pink, and starry night. In terms of the weight of the device, it's 189 to about 199 grams, and the thickness is 7.39 to 7.67 millimeters. This is running Android 15 with Fun Touch OS 15, and it has 3 years worth of Android updates and 4 years worth of security patches. For the processor, like how we said, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, the 4nm processor, and it has an Adreno 720 GPU. It's efficient, powerful for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. The device itself you can pick up in up to a 512 gig device, and it does not support expandable storage. In terms of memory, it is available in an 8 or a 12 gig variant. My device has 12 gigs worth of RAM. And you can also expand it by virtual RAM expansion. And the RAM is excellent for multitasking and large apps. In terms of its network, it is 5G dual capable with the SIM, and has something called a Super Link signal booster. So in terms of other connectivities, this has Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB Type-C for charging. It has an under-display fingerprint scanner and dual stereo speakers. For the battery, it has a 6000 mAh Blue Volt battery and supports 90 watts flash charge, and that'll allow you to go from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. 6 hours worth of usage in just 10 minutes worth of charging. Coming down to the main kicker, the camera system. So the rear camera is a 50 megapixel OIS main camera with a f1.8, and it also supports a 50 megapixel ultra wide. The front is also a 50 megapixel autofocus selfie camera. In terms of the camera, the rear camera, it is ZEISS co-engineered with portrait modes. It also has an AI editor, AI night photography, and Google Gemini integration, and like how we said, IP68 underwater photography support. The cameras also record 4K video recording with both the front and back cameras. So who is the Vivo V50 really for? If you're a power user, a student, or a content creator who needs a long-lasting battery, high performance, and amazing camera tools, then this might be the smartest buy for you. In terms of pricing, this retails for about 18,000 to about 19,000 Rand, depending on your storage variant. And it is available at Vivo South Africa, Vodacom, Takealot, MTN, most of your major carriers as well. This is bundled with a case that comes with the device, a charging cable, and a 90-watt charger, and a pre-applied screen protector to the device as well. So kicking us off with the pros. In terms of the pros, it has a stunning curved AMOLED 120Hz display. It has a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, which is brilliant for performance. It has a huge battery, plus supports 90-watt fast charging or flash charging. It also has a flagship camera system with ZEISS tuning. And not forgetting the fact that it is water and dust resistant, IP68 and IP69. And you future-proofed with Android 15 plus the long-term updates. Now, in terms of the cons, the first thing has to be the fact that there's no expandable storage, so there's no micro SD card slot. Second is, it's becoming a norm, but there's no headphone jack on the phone itself. And the third, and I'm picking at straws here, the curved edges might not be for everyone, but personally I love it because I've owned multiple curved screens back in the day when they were a big thing, and I love those devices and the things that come with it. So personally, I think Vivo has nailed the balance here. It's powerful, polished, and the 50 megapixel selfie camera is wild for Instagram and TikTok creators. Plus, it has an excellent premium feel on the device. So if you're tired of compromises in the mid-range smartphone and want a phone that will last you the whole day and possibly even the next, with a killer display and camera features, the Vivo V50 is worth it. It's bold, fast, and future ready. So guys, that wraps up my review of the Vivo V50. A huge shout out to Vivo South Africa for sending this device out for me to retain and create content with. And this actually became my daily content making phone for the last 3 or so weeks. So if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you don't, make sure you leave a like rating to let me know that you enjoyed this video. Guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant and I will catch you in the next video.